How to buy Apple Music with Apple Gift Card. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can buy Apple Music subscription using the Apple Gift Card. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let's go it through. First step, you want to head into your App Store. Once you open up App Store here, you want to head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the top right. Then you'll find redeem gift card or code option. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on redeem gift card or code, you'll be able to redeem the gift card either by scanning by using camera or by entering in the code manually. Once you redeem your gift card to your Apple Pay here or your Apple Store, then now you can use it to make the purchases. Whether you want to buy subscriptions, Apple subscriptions, or you want to make in-app purchases, you can use Apple Wallet or Apple Pay as your payment method and use the balance that you just redeemed from your gift card. So this is how you can buy Apple Music with Apple Gift Card. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.